Hi, and welcome to week 2. A lot of you probably are already well on your way. I have a few things I want to talk to you about. One of those things is to please take this poll by today if you haven't yet. We're trying to set up study sessions, so that would be really helpful. Another thing is you can email me or Anna for help. So if you look under course materials, there's a class list, and you can email from here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so just showing you that you can email either of us if you have questions, and we can help with stuff. The other thing I wanted to show you today is my math lab, and in particular the ebook. So pulling up my math lab, here we go, and then if you go, let me move the frame. Okay, so then if you go here to read e-text and then view the e-text, it'll take you to your book. Mine's just taking a second. There we go. And then if you look up here, you can click on that for the table of contents. So let's say you wanted to look at 1.3, from before, or if you wanted to look at B4, it's down here. We go to B4, quadratic equations, you could check that out. And I just want to point out that this book is interactive, so as you are reading it, there are things that you're going to be encountering that you can click on. So for example, you can do U-tries right here. It links you to reading the introduction of this objective, and it links to interactive videos, animations, all sorts of things. So it's really worth checking out, especially if you're having a little bit of trouble reading your book as well as watching the videos, both my math lab videos and the other videos I posted from Marcus. Those are all really helpful. So I hope things are going well. Please reach out if you need help with anything, and I will talk to you soon.